welcome back. I have to give a huge shout out to Noah. He's my best friend or cousin. He did this video right here where he gave a shout out to me and showed people it. Right here. Oh, I'm his only subscriber.
That's sad. Go subscribe to Imposter X, guys. He is really nice.
He will, if you say hi to him, he will give a shout out to you.
Yeah.
And if you come in my comments and you comment to me and say hello and you comment, I'll give a huge shout out to all of you.
Guess what we're going to do right now? We're going to like this video because
it has 0 likes. Yeah, he is my cousin, and he is playing with his dad in this video. Go check out his YouTube channel, guys.
And guys, also, we're not just going to be giving a shout out to him. And if you guys comment, say, I want a shout out, we'll try and give you guys a shout out.
Well, no, yes, we will give them a shout out.
Yeah, we will. And also, here's one shout out. He didn't plan it, but I did. Darman, okay, how you spell it is D-H-A-R space M-A-N-N, and he actually helps people, like, get along, but it's only if you guys are allowed to, like, watch people do it, or, like, watch people do stuff on there. It's not, like, bad or anything, just it helps people, like, get along with their friendships. That's how I'm getting along with Connor_plays.
Go check out my channel, guys. Obviously, you know it. But also, go check out his channel, too. IMPOSTER. Imposter, spacebar. And then you click X.
And now we're going to be searching him up.
And then go check out his channel, guys, please.
What? That's not... Huh. He didn't show up yet. He's coming down there. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's not showing up guys, but even if you guys can't find him, he is still so incredible. He is, like, the best, like, person. And
Nicest person ever.
I've never met him in real life, but by his voice, I can tell he's very nice. And he gave Connor a shout-out. Here, we'll even show you proof that he gave Connor a shout-out. Hit it, Connor!
Okay, hold on. I'll turn off the fan.
Yeah, we don't want that to be annoying.
Right here.
No, that's when they join the game.
Right there.
Yeah.
Things first, I would like to shout out Connor_plays.
Yes.
So,
see.
And then he spells it in.
Connor, come on. Connor.
We might make a few mistakes, but it's okay.
But he fixes it. He knows that he did that wrong, so he's fixing it. _plays. And yes, it is with a Z. See? Then here's his YouTube channel.
He plays Roblox. So yeah, if you like Roblox, you should make sure to go check out his channel. And yeah, so let's get to Among Us point.
Yeah, go check out his channel, guys. He is a really nice person. Please check out his channel.
He is really the best.
He's a nice person.
Yes, he is.
And he is a nice friend of mine, too.
Oh, yeah. Here is big shout-outs to people. I don't know if they commented. Oh, it has no views, so... Guys, please go check him out and say that he's a good person or something. We're not the boss of you. Just please go check him out. He's so amazing. He's nice. I've never met him in real life, but Connor keeps on telling me that he's nice. I believe him. And doesn't he have a Roblox name? No. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. That he plays Roblox.
Like, he plays Among Us, and if you watch his videos, maybe you might be able to join his game in time, and then you can enter the pin, join super fastly. And I wish I had Among Us on the computer, because he just posted this, like, a couple minutes ago.
Yeah. And actually, we're gonna see if we can download Among Us on his computer.
Actually,
so you guys can play with him too.
Well,
We'll leave it
if
recording for you guys.
If you find his channel, go over here, click on this.
Yeah.
Once you click on this, it's gonna bring you to his channel.
Yeah, go to playlists.
Now go to videos.
Yeah, videos. Play. Here's some.
Have a playlist.
Get home.
He has a channel.
How were we just watching him?
Wait, this is his description. This is a Among Us play channel. If you like Among Us, and the first thing I like to do is shout out. So if you want a shout out, make sure you comment on what I should do next in Among Us. And I will try to make videos every Saturday. P.S. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Discussion. I can just say, I know.
Yeah. And yay! Now we commented.
Huge
Shout out.
shout out to Noah.
And say, it's not just, and say,
Huge shout out to Noah.
yay!
Yay!
We're gonna click OK.
Oh, sorry.
And guess what? Huge shout out to Noah. Wait, can I say something to him?
No, you cannot. Hey, stop.
Please,
Stop.
please.
No, you're messing me up. You zoomed at the screen.
Oh, oops. Alright, guys. So, how about we say go check out your channel?
No, it's fine. They already know my channel.
Go check
Some of my new neighbors moved in.
out.
One of them has a daughter. I like the daughter.
Wait. I just realized if we tell her that although my YouTube channel, she's gonna find she's gonna see. Oh no. No, he was just kidding. He does not like his new next door neighbor.
No.
He doesn't. He does.
I just as long as she doesn't check this out.
Go check out. So you know what to do. Go check out Imposter X. And
Goodbye.
Yeah.
See you later.
Bye. See you later, guys. Bye. Peace out.
Peace out.